We filmed this down under. Hang on while we reformat for you blokes in the Northern Hemisphere. Australia's a big place and we've got things everywhere. Things that need monitoring. The Internet of Things is handy, but we needed more. We need the ignition of things. In the old days, monitoring our assets was clunky, hard to scale, and expensive. What if there was a way to unite old and new technology to connect, collect, and manage our industrial data in a way that could scale and do it without costing the earth? The team at ESM developed a scalable asset monitoring and management system to monitor performance and service requirements for our clients' assets. These are deployed all around Australia, so we designed a system that could be scaled globally. Using a mix of MQTT and legacy protocols through gateway devices over cellular, we harnessed the scalability of Ignition to deliver a platform that allowed the client to add, remove, and manage connected assets without the need to open the designer.
Working through the requirements with a few of our clients, the dominant message we heard was ease of use, particularly the way that clients administer and manage the visibility of their assets in-house. We also understood the desire to have key performance data available on any platform from anywhere, including on the move. Using Perspective and Ignition 8, we were able to build a fresh, responsive display that would look amazing on any device and that could scale massively. The ability to embed maps, then superimpose data from both field devices and mobile devices on the maps was incredible. Not only did we have a fantastic asset management system, with almost no extra outlay, we also delivered a simple mobile fleet management system. All we needed was an open perspective session on a mobile device in the service vehicle to build a well-featured mobile fleet tracking and routing system.
Ignition gives the operations team and dispatchers visibility of every asset status in real time from any device wherever they are. The first enterprise we deployed this system for connected to PLCs on remote plant through a combination of old and new E1 devices. Cellular bandwidth is expensive and connections can be patchy. We use Flexi 205s to connect to the PLCs in their native protocol and publish the data via MQTT. On some older legacy systems, we have used the existing classic E1 hardware to collect data from the field devices, so Ignition could grab that data with an FTP transfer, or if need be, good old-fashioned POL communications. Ignition makes it easy to connect and collect data from both old and new devices.
AssetHawk is already casting its watchful eye over assets in Australia, providing peace of mind and historical data that helps build the foundation for a solid predictive maintenance solution. Ignition allows us to deploy a scalable asset and fleet monitoring system either on-premise or in the cloud, or both. We are busy enhancing the fleet management functions to incorporate feedback from mobile accelerometers and GPS to provide standard fleet performance data like heavy braking monitoring, speed monitoring, and driver brakes, and optimized routing. No matter what the client asks, we know Ignition and Perspective can deliver.